Use a gentle, tested cleaning process that works for both fiberglass and porcelain tubs to keep finishes bright and undamaged. For everyday cleaning, mix 1 part white vinegar with 3 parts warm water in a spray bottle and add a teaspoon of liquid dish soap for grease cutting. Spray the surface, let it sit for 5 minutes, then wipe with a soft microfiber cloth following gentle circular motions. For tougher soap, scum, or mild stains, sprinkle a thin amount of baking soda over the wet surface after the vinegar treatment. Scrub lightly with a damp, non-abrasive sponge or a soft nylon brush, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. For mildew or stubborn rings, use a paste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide applied only where needed. Leave for 10 minutes, then rinse. Avoid long contact times on colored or older fiberglass. Always test any cleaner on an inconspicuous spot for 5 to 10 minutes to confirm there is no discoloration or softening, and always rinse fully to remove acidic residues that can etch finishes over time. Dry the tub with a clean microfiber towel to prevent water spots and mineral buildup, and keep a squeegee handy to remove standing water after each use to reduce frequency of deep cleans. For long-term care, apply a carnauba wax or a specialty tub polish twice a year to fiberglass for added protection and to porcelain for easier cleaning, following product instructions closely. The 3 most common issues are surface scratching from abrasive pads, chemical damage from harsh cleaners, and residual staining from mineral buildup. To avoid scratching, never use steel wool or abrasive powders and switch to soft sponges or microfiber cloths that trap grit instead of grinding it into the finish. To prevent chemical damage, avoid cleaners with bleach, oven cleaner, or high concentrations of ammonia, and always dilute acids like vinegar as directed, rinsing immediately after use. For mineral stains, remove scale regularly by soaking a cloth in the diluted vinegar solution and laying it over affected areas for 10 minutes before wiping, and consider installing a water softener if hard water is a persistent problem. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and make it easier for contractors to find work related to home maintenance and renovations. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and compare cleaning tests for different tub materials so everyone can learn from real experience.